The Blue Sky BioKISS internal hex abutment system is an easy system to restore for cementing restorations. The kit contains all necessary components to complete the procedure. Assemble the thumb knob with the screwdriver. Remove the cover screw from the implant. Insert the abutment into the implant and rotate clockwise until snug. Use the torque ratchet to tighten to 30 Newton-centimeters. The plastic impression cap has 3 male lobes to match the 3 grooves in the abutment. Align the male lobes within the cap with the grooves in the abutment and snap into place. Inject impression material around the impression cap. Fill the tray with impression material. Insert the tray with impression material and then seat the impression to capture the dental arch. Remove the impression. The abutment is left in place and the white non-engaging sleeve is placed. Alternatively, a temporary tooth can be placed. The laboratory abutment analog has 3 male lobes to match the 3 grooves in the impression cap. Send impression, analog, and clear waxing sleeve to your lab technician. They will place the laboratory analog into the impression cap. Apply soft tissue replica material. Pour dental stone into the impression. Place the clear engaging waxing sleeve over the analog, making sure to align the male lobes of engaging wax sleeve with the grooves in the KISS abutment analog. Wax up and cast the undercasting in the usual manner. Apply the ceramic in the usual manner and complete the restoration. Remove the white non-engaging sleeve and place a cotton pellet into the screw access hole to protect the screw. Apply cement to the crown. Place the crown into the mouth and remove any excess cement.